In this video, we are going to learn division through an activity. For doing this activity, we have taken few cards. First question is 14 divided by 4. We are going to record the values of quotient and remainder here by doing this activity. Here we have number 14, which means we need to take 14 cards. Now let us count the number of cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now let's divide this 14 cards equally between 4. Now we are going to equally distribute this 14 cards among the 4 groups. Now let's distribute this card equally among 4 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If I keep these 2 cards in these 2 groups, it will not be equally distributed because in this group we have 4 cards, here we have 4 cards, but here we have 3 cards only. So I am removing these 2 cards to make it equally distributed among these 4 groups. So coming to the question, if we equally distribute 14 cards among these 4 groups, how many cards will each one get? From this picture, you can say clearly it's 3. So the quotient is 3. How many cards will be left over? 2 cards. So remainder will be 2. If you do the same question by actual division, 14 divided by 4. 14 will be your dividend, 4 will be your divisor, 4 times 3 will be 12. So when you subtract, you will get 2. So 3 will be your quotient and 2 will be your remainder. The same thing we got it through an activity also. Now let's consider one more example. 18 divided by 5, which means we need to take 18 cards. Now let's count these cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now we are going to distribute these 18 cards equally among 5 groups. So now let's divide this 18 cards equally between 5 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 3 leftover cards. This will not be divided equally among 5 groups. So now let's calculate the quotient and remainder. If we equally distribute 18 cards among 5 groups, how many cards will each one get? 3 cards. So quotient will be 3. How many cards will be left over? We have 3 cards. So remainder will be 3. If you do the same question to actual division, 18 divided by 5. 5 times 3 is 15. When you subtract these 2, you will get 3. So your quotient will be 3. Remainder will be 3. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.